Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome back to Backspace. In this helpful Microsoft Word tutorial, we will learn how to restart page numbering after a section break in Word quickly and professionally. This is perfect for creating books, reports, assignments, theses, business documents and multi-section file. If you want one section to start page from one, again will keeping the rest of your document separate, this tutorial will guide step by step. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. Now I see here many page. Now I am start the page number on the third page. At first make the second page and third page is different section. Go to the layout menu, click the break down menu and choose next page. Then double click on the header. We can see here the first two page is section 1 and the all page is section 2. Now I am start the page number on here. Here the page number option. Now I am select the top. But here start at 3. Now I am go to again and format page number and select the start at 1. Then close the header and footer. Now we can see here the page number is start at 1, 2, 3. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.